Hello, and welcome back to another little episode of Satanic Mac Club. That intro was by a Tinker Different user. I believe his name was Retro1. Hope I got that right. Anyway, today I just wanted to show off a little device by one of the trio of Satanic Mac Clubs, Stephen Arsenault. This is the Dram Liberator. And if you're somebody who collects Apple II, Commodore 64, and the like, you'll find that a lot of the RAM is common throughout all those machines, the 4164 type. And when you buy these in bulk lots, either from AliExpress or from used machines for pulls, you may find that some of them are bad. And to alleviate any questionable sources of RAM, the DRAM Liberator is a extremely easy way to test and verify whether or not all the read-write bits and bytes are good to go. So let's head on over to the bench here and take a closer look. So the use of this device is extremely simple. The DRAM only goes in one way. So let's pop a piece out here. Notch to notch. Pop it right in. And this has already been pre-flashed by Stephen. All we have to do is give it USB power. And it's going to read and write all the little bits and bytes and say, hello, how do you do? And the status lights will indicate what it is currently doing. So right now it's just reading and writing and checking everything out. Now, whether or not it passes or fails is going to give you a solid green or a solid red. You can probably guess what either of those mean. It does take a minute to finish. And there we have it, a solid green light. So we know that this 4164 DRAM is good to go. We can pop that into our Apple IIc or Commodore 64 and just have peace of mind that this one has been verified. Well, that's really about it for now. Just a quick tidbit. If you'd like to check on this project, I'll link the GitHub down below, and we'd be happy to share it with you. So thanks again for stopping by.